The lady from Uncle. International Affairs. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at how to add a Gmail as a service on a third-party Google account. Now, what do I mean with third-party Google account? I mean a Google account which uses a third-party email address as its primary email address, username, that which you use to sign in with. And the simple way to do it is simply just to, on a generic Google page, to www.google.com, just click on Gmail, and you're being told here, add Gmail to your Google account. So I am adding a Gmail service to my skitchelmark2@yahoo.com Google account. And please read through this information, because what you're being told is that when you add Gmail to your existing Google account, that Gmail becomes the primary email address for this particular Google account, and skitchelmark2 in this case at yahoo.com will become the alternate email address, and I'll still be able to sign in with it. So I'll be able to sign into this previously third-party email address using Google account with that third-party email address, but also with the Gmail. But what it doesn't mention is that when you sign in, even with, in my case, skitchelmark2@yahoo.com, you will see it convert to the Gmail email address once you're signed in. And that is simply because Gmail, as a matter of principle, is always primary. And that is simply because Gmail is, after all, Google's own email service. So I'm being asked here to choose my Gmail email address. I'm going to go for skitchelmark1, although this should really be skitchelmark2. I previously had skitchelmark2 as a Gmail address and I can't reuse it. So I'm going to submit that, and I'm being asked to verify my Google account to my phone number, and I'm going to use the same phone number that I used previously to create this Google account. And as you can see, I'm being told it's already been used too many times for verification. And that is because I'm probably created other Google accounts and verified them with this particular phone number. So at this point, what I can do just to try it is to opt for a voice call in case it allows me to proceed. And I'm being told that that's successful. And now I'm just waiting. And I'm waiting for the phone to ring, and here it does. So that is my Gmail, which has been added to my previously third-party email using Google account. And if I click on the top right-hand side, you'll see that my email address has indeed been changed to skitchelmark1@gmail.com. And that is how you add Gmail to a third-party email using Google account. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.